Everything has rules. But what if you could change the rules? Glue Knight. Everything starts with it. It showed up in the world, then smashed it into shards. Now it powers the city and its people, and me. It gives Lancers special abilities, but now they can't live without it. So they go out to find it and fight over it every day. But it also lets us change the rules. Glue Knight can change the rules of reality itself. And cards made of Glue Knight put that power right in your hands. You might think it's hard being a mercenary. But for Lancers, it's incredible. So get out there and grab some cards, okay? As for tomorrow, who knows?
Let's start with something easy. Take a few steps forward. Baby steps. Oh, watch your head. You need to crouch to get through here. Oh, well done. Now try vaulting. Now go grab your favorite gun. Okay, let's shoot something. It's more accurate if you... Nice! Maybe this isn't your first time? Now blow away these targets. You just leveled up. Oh, wait, no. Page 15. Sorry, forget I said that. Try shooting these moving target. You did great. It's not all about shooting, though. Each Lancer has unique skills. Try one out. This is, Goddard's Vengeance. It's an area... Oh, they're trying to dodge. I bet you get them anyway. Great. You want to try some of the other Lancers? Each of them has their own special skills. Click on the Lancer list. You can view and choose different Lancers. Each Lancer has at least 3 skills. You can view the skill descriptions here. Alrighty, so once you've selected a Lancer, here is the weapon list. Feel free to choose your favorite weapon. If you're not sure, try out an assault rifle or a submachine. Clicking the Lancer slot allows you to return to the Lancer interface. You can view and change if you've selected your Lancer and your weapon. Click Ready to go into combat. Okay, now let's try out some combat. Let's see how long it takes you to kill these bots. Want to try again? I can make that happen for you. When you feel like it, head to the target site for time for a real battle. Show us what you've got. This kind of match is a shard clash. It's one of the most common matches. There are supposed to be multiple rounds, but we're just gonna do one this time. You're attacking. Know why it's called shard clash? Shard cards. These are 3 shard cards. Before each round, you choose some. Shard cards cost different amounts of these are your... Click on the shard card. You've still got shard points. Activate another shard card. Chose Roger. Use your shard card. You chose Eye of the Reaper. Once you... Magical, isn't it? Alright, start the attack. First, pick up the converter. Now, go to site plant the converter. Plant the converter. Now operating. The Eye of the Reaper is changing the scene and detecting nearby enemies. Now, defend the converter. If your enemy